Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about logical connectives, and we're starting to talk about proof is essentially what's going on. And so I just want to show you a few symbols. Okay, so and is like this, and we call it a conjunction. Okay, and then we have or, looks like this. That's a disjunction. And then we have not. The symbol kind of looks like a negative sign, but then with a little tail. We call that a negation. And then we have if, then we do like a single-sided arrow. That's an implication. And then if and only if, or abbreviated like that, is a double-sided arrow, and that's an equivalence. Okay. Now, for and, or, and not, I think are pretty straightforward. We just want to make sure that not is the exact opposite. So if A is true, if A is true, then not A has to be false. Okay? Or if not A is true, then A has to be false. Okay? Now, if we have the if-then or the implication or the one-sided arrow, that means that if A is true, then it implies B is true. But it doesn't go the other way. Like if B is true, it doesn't imply that A is true. So it's like a one-way implication. And then if we have if and only if, that means it's a two-way implication. So if we know A is true, then B has to be true. If B is true, then A also has to be true. Also, false would work that way. If A is false, B is false. If B is false, A is false. Okay? That's essentially it. This is just a preview video, I guess. There's no problems really in this section. Just make sure you ask questions if you didn't understand any of that. Calculator.